This meditation is here to help you release stress, calm your mind, and bring your body back into balance. Find a comfortable position, either seated with your spine tall and relaxed, or lying down in a restful posture. Close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in calm and breathe out tension. With every breath, allow yourself to arrive fully in this present moment. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a warm wave of relaxation slowly washing down over you. Feel it soften your forehead. Relax your eyes, your jaw, your neck. With each exhale, let go of the tightness you may be holding. Let this wave flow down to your shoulders, melting away heaviness. Your arms, hands, and fingers soften completely. Notice your chest rising and falling naturally with each breath. Allow the rhythm to soothe you like a gentle wave on a shore. The relaxation continues in your stomach, your hips, your thighs, down to your legs, ankles, and toes. Your whole body is calm now, grounded and supported. Now bring gentle attention to your breath. No need to force it, just simply notice the inhale and the exhale. If your mind wanders, gently guide it back to the rhythm of your breath. Imagine that every inhale fills you with light, and every exhale carries away stress and anxiety. Breathing in calm, breathing out tension. With each cycle of breath, feel your body becoming lighter, clearer, and more at ease. Imagine yourself standing in a safe place. It might be a quiet beach at sunrise, a garden filled with flowers, or a soft meadow beneath a clear blue sky. See yourself there now. Notice the colors, the sounds, the air on your skin. This is your sanctuary, a place where you feel safe, calm, and completely at ease. With every breath, imagine the stress leaving your body, dissolving into the earth beneath you. The ground supports you, the sky embraces you, and peace fills every part of your being. If worries arise, see them as clouds passing through the sky of your mind. They drift in, and then they drift away. You remain calm, steady, and clear. Silently repeat after me, or simply let the words sink into your mind. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My body is calm, my mind is clear, and my heart is at peace. I allow myself to rest and restore. I am safe in this moment. I release what I cannot control. My body is calm, my mind is clear, and my heart is at peace. I allow myself to rest and restore. Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Feel gratitude for giving yourself this time to breathe, to calm, and to heal. Know that you can return to the sense of peace at any moment by pausing, breathing, and reconnecting to yourself. When you are ready, slowly bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently open your eyes. Carry this calm with you, knowing that peace is always within reach.